Targeted workouts are more than just exercise. They're about shaping and strengthening specific areas of your body for power, balance, and aesthetics.
Let's start with the abs. Your core is your powerhouse. Crunches target upper abs, leg raises hit lower abs, while planks build deep strength.
Strong arms mean power in pushing and pulling. Biceps drive curling movements. Triceps control extensions, building everyday functional strength.
Your back is your body's framework. Pull-ups build lats. Rows develop control, creating better posture and balanced strength.
Your legs carry your entire body. Squats and lunges strengthen quads and hamstrings, while deadlifts build posterior chain power for better mobility.
Glutes stabilize your hips and protect your lower back. Hip thrusts and bridges build strength while preventing injuries and improving performance. Remember, always warm up, increase resistance gradually, and train with balance. Muscles grow during rest, and proper nutrition fuels your progress.
Targeted workouts transform your strength, confidence, and performance. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Produced by Zeekman.